Yeah, that's it. I'm getting my hair back again like that. And thicker. And I want 70-inch long this time. Because this is a 60. Oh my god, can you imagine? 70? With who? I don't know. Damn, love, you are looking absolutely sexy in those pictures, gorgeous. Your hair looks amazing and stunning. Thank you. How old are you, Elite Shadow? You queens on the video were looking gorgeous and slaying. Why you keep throwing these compliments? So nice. You're 22? Oh my god, we're same. I'm turning 23. Oh my god. Why you like me? Like, you should have interested to a girl that younger, maybe like 19-year-old, you know, or like an old lady. Because men in this age, you guys attracted to old women that's mature, whatever, or like very young girl, but probably not. You know. We're in the same age, no. Un, dos, tres. Hi, Leon. You wanna come with me? Let me ask them if I can bring you, okay? Can I bring my dog? Of course I can. Nobody can tell me no, okay? This is my dog. Thank you. Are you really 22? Oh shit. Is it? Hello? Am I in the middle of something meeting or something? Okay. Can I ask, can I bring my dog for the yacht day? Okay. You know, just tell him that my dog is like, you know, basically like his dog. Exactly. Okay, deal. Yay! Thank you. Bye. Yeah, I am. Alright, thank you. Yay! You're invited! Leon, you're invited! We're gonna dance. But I have a feeling because the owner of the yacht himself, he already had a dog before. It is a poodle, which is your father. So if you saw, what's the name? I forgot. It's like a red toy poodle. It's very racist though towards a local Asian. That dog would barking. But if you saw him or her, I forgot. Like, I used to play with the dog before I get you. Just be nice, okay? I think it's a girl. The name, I forgot the name. Just get along, okay? Okay, don't embarrass me. This is gonna be your first day on the yacht. It's already my million times on that yacht. So I thought we are gonna go to the super yacht, you know, the one that the bigger one.